Hi friends, it's Miss Brenda here. Today's story is titled Four Seasons of Fun, Egg Hunts, Fireworks, Pumpkins, Reindeers by Pamela Duncan Edwards. Glittering sunbeams made a gold crown for a tree that is wearing a blossom gown. Out from a burrow two black eyes peep. Groundhog has finished his winter sleep. It's spring, and soon you'll be skipping, jumping, hearing friends cheer, running, shouting, sunny days are here. Flying a kite, watching it dive, seeing it wheel as if it's alive. Hunting in ponds to find pollywogs, marveling that tadpoles turn into frogs. Listening for the patter of bunny feet, wondering if he'll leave you a candy treat. Hearing the birds as they warble and sing, tweeting love to their mates because it's spring. Shimmering now in leafy green, the trees stand tall, a royal queen. Sheltering a nest where babies lie snug, beaks reaching up for a tasty bud. It's summer, and soon you'll be chasing butterflies and hiding in trees, racing downhill and gracing your knees. Fishing, hiking with rocks to climb, calling, lemonade, a cup for a dime. Setting up for your barbecue, working as part of the serving crew. Honoring your nation as fireworks soar, gasping and clapping and shouting for more. Splashing in pools, hitting a run, slam dunking a ball, summer is fun. Whispering secrets to the soft wind blowing, the trees rustles and dances, yellow leaves glowing. With gray tail quivering, a squirrel races, burying nuts in secret places. It's fall, and soon you'll be riding your bike through a leafy heap, riding the bell as you swerve and leap, racing the field, taking aim, helping your team to win the game. Bundling up for a walk in the park, counting the stars, skipping home in the dark. Carving a pumpkin, roasting s'mores, plucking up courage at the haunted house door. Smiling, hugging, saying hi, licking lips because fall means turkey and pie. Sparkling with frost, the tree's branches are bare. A fox lifts her snout and sniffs at the air. Dark clouds tumble like kittens at play. Fox knows that snow is on its way. It's winter, and soon you'll be stamping ice puddles that nip your toes, building a snowman with a carroty nose, making snow angels, sledding down hills, laughing with friends when you have spills, sipping hot chocolate to thaw out your bones, choosing the colors to paint your pine cones. Leaving cookies for Santa, hoping he comes, high-fiving next morning when you find crumbs. Playing game indoors, learning to skate, snuggling by the fire, winter is great. Glittering sunbeams make a golden crown for a tree that is wearing a blossom gown. Out from a burrow to black eyes peep, groundhog has finished his winter sleep. It's spring again. The end.